with feathers absolutely has to fly.
Fly, why must they fly?
Some creatures have two wings that flap, but you won't find them up there in the sky.
Try, they're not up there in the sky.
Gravity they don't defy, they'll never soar, won't even try. Have you heard about flightless bird?
About flightless bird.
With wings that flap, they've been supplied, but after that things went awry. Well, have you heard about flightless bird?
About flightless bird.
They're quite content, they're on the ground. To see them, don't look up, look down.
Ostrich, kiwi, penguin, emu.
They all can't fly.
Play a little kazoo.
Penguins swim right till frozen. For flying, they've not been chosen. Ostriches are fast as lightning.
Do they fly?
Ooh, that's different.
Say that